Right at the side helped me kind of understand and help me find something that I'm good at, something that I kind of wanted to do for the rest of my life.
It was just a lot of hands-on work that I got to do, and I like to work with my hands, so.
I actually enjoy just moving around and just getting to talk to people and getting to make sure their day is complete because of what I did for them.
I kind of figured it was going to be a lot of just me observing, but then they were kind of just like, no, do work, we're paying you.
Most type of people that will enjoy this type of trade is people with the like hands-on stuff and like to get their hands dirty and move around more.
Maybe they're not the best in the classroom, people that like to get very hands-on.
People that don't give up, no quit, just like to move forward.
The most challenging part's probably the physicality of it. You gotta lift stuff, you gotta go up and down stairs.
It's a lot of heavy lifting.
Really, you should be prepared to work hard and get your hands dirty.
They should be prepared to get up early, very early.
After I did the 3 weeks for the internship, I actually got another chance to come back for the summer and work more.
The reason I decided to come back was honestly just the people, how nice everyone was, and just how comforting and just accepting everyone was.
I would recommend doing a internship during high school because it just gives you that insight of what we're about, what trades are about, and really is eye-opening.